friends, let me show you this new cordless electric chainsaw that I received for reviewing purposes. Let me show you. You get the user manual, gloves for protecting your hands when you are going to use it. This is the main unit. Okay. You get also protecting lenses, 2 batteries, okay, the charger for the batteries, and the actual saws, the chains, and the chain accessory. So let's put it together. Let's install the bar and the chains. We are going to try it outside, okay? Let's go. We are going to test it in this wood piece, okay? So you can see a fast, straight cut, even if you are going to cut a tree or some lumber or whatever you want to cut with this chain. Great option for your wood cutting necessities. Thank you. As you can see, straight cuts in the wood, really fast, and ready if you need to cut any kind of lumber. Perfect. Thank you. Great option if you need to cut any kind of tree with this saw. Thank you.